What flooring options are best for wet areas? In New Zealand, the main aspect to look at when looking at floor coverings for wet areas is whether the floor covering has E3 compliant documentation. E3 is a building code which means that it's 100% waterproof surface and cannot penetrate that. It also means that it has systems that mean that water can't penetrate the outsides and get underneath the floor covering. There are numerous different floor coverings that fit within the E3 criteria, such as tiles, vinyl, timber and hybrid. Within that, vinyl and hybrid is the 100% waterproof option. These products don't swell when fully submerged in water. Products such as laminates have a 100% waterproof surface, but they're not necessarily 100% waterproof themselves. What this means is they have to be installed correctly to make sure that waterproof can't penetrate through the joints. If installed correctly, they can perform incredibly well, very similar to a vinyl. There's other things to also consider when choosing wet area flooring, and that there is fading, durability and slip resistance. Thanks for watching. We'll look forward to seeing you again.